Guys, I wanted to present you to a brand new platform and a system that can help you build your list. If you're using WordPress, um, this system can help you build your list. It's a drag and drop landing page builder, one of the best in the market. You can see the video here. Actually, you can build amazing landing pages and increase your conversion rates, double it, and even more. You will have an easy to use drag and drop builder. You need no coding, no specific knowledge about how to write the code and everything. You just drag and drop. You get 130 plus templates to use. It's well optimized for mobile, tablets, and everything. You can also A/B test your performance, see which one works, which one not. Actually, I use it myself, and I have an amazing result with my website, my WordPress website. Like you can see here, the template, it looks amazing. You can see how clear it is. It looks very professional. It works for any kind of marketing page. You can build it easily in a few moments. You can build opt-in pages, sales pages. You can see you have so many options you can choose from. Let me show you ProfitBuilder in action.
Hey there, this is Sean, and I've been asked how quickly can you actually build an opt-in with ProfitBuilder? Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to install this really quick. This is a template from our
You can see the templates. Now we're loading the templates. Now you can see choosing a template from what I showed you before, loading it, very easy, very useful. You can see it looks very clear, very professional. You can just rename whatever you like. You can rewrite it for your choice. You can see it looks very, very, very clear. So this video is pretty long, so I make it short. Let's see, what more can I tell you about it. You can see it converts to many platforms. We can really sell anything with it. It's a great platform. You can create a full commerce store if you want to with this ProfitBuilder. You have this option also if you want to, and you get it also optimized for maximum SEO with the functions in it. Enhanced content marketing, it's showcasing your blog and amazing content in your website. So basically, you have 100% money back when you purchase it. I think it's a great choice. You have nothing to lose here. You only can profit from it. If you don't like it, you'll get your money back. And I really recommend it because I use it myself and I'm achieving amazing results. This is my favorite system and platform to work with when I want to capture leads or I want to drive more sales through my funnel. It really helps me, and I think it will be also a great choice for you guys, marketers, business owners. Want to capture, even if you're affiliate marketers. I think it will be great for you, and I think it will drive you amazing results.